Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a cozy corner in my kitchen. So come on with me, guys. Now I'm starting out here with this cloche, and I decided to go ahead and add it to the space. So we're going to go ahead and put this together and move on to the next step. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette, and this is being hosted by Design with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I have some beautiful co-hosts, so let me go ahead and mention them. So we have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, we have Debbie Bubbles, and May's Design Corner. Make sure and use the hashtag COZYCORNER25, and I'll be more than happy then pick up your video and add it to the playlist. So this month's theme for Cozy Corner or Vignette, I said it was sweet tea. So I decided to go ahead and bring my tier tray of sweet teas over to this area, which I think it's really wonderful, guys. So either you can have your teas hot or you can cool it off and make iced tea with it, which is what I normally do. So I decided to bring the tier tray over to this section of my counter. Now here we have my Ray Dunn teapot, and I absolutely love that teapot, guys. And then we're just gonna grab two Ray Dunn mugs. I have a whole cabinet full, so we're gonna grab the two most ones that I use. And then here we have a new addition to my candle holder lanterns, and this one is shaped like a gift. I got this at the Dollar Tree. What an amazing buy, and there was only one left. Now I was gonna go ahead and squeeze it in here regardless. I absolutely love how this looks, and I was so anxious to go ahead and just light this up. This is absolutely beautiful, this lantern. So all right, so I added my mugs, and now we're gonna move on to adding some greenery in a vase. Now the Dollar Tree is also carrying these chains with the wooden beads, and I love them. I grabbed them in white. They do come in colors. So that DIY vase that I made there does have a bow on it, which is really pretty. And then I added some boxwood, and I'm gonna squeeze this all in there, and this is gonna look beautiful no matter what. Now I added this sign that says latte to the bottom of my tier tray. We're gonna head on over to the reveal, guys, because I think this area came out absolutely beautiful. Now I am definitely going to grab a couple of more of these lanterns. I can't wait for them to bring them back, or I find them at another Dollar Tree. They are beautiful. And then I dropped marble candle in there in black. And so here is my cloche, which I decided to keep here on the counter. I may move it later, but this is where it's at right now. I think everything looks absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.